Hello, family. It's your guy Huff. I hope all is well. I'm not going to keep you too long, family. Today, I want to discuss various ways to share your network files over your network. And one of the things that I use in my toolbox to do that is the file manager. There are various managers that people use. It's a matter of preference. I personally like this file manager because the clean interface and the simplicity of it all, especially in today's demonstration, I think that would show itself. On the right, I have the On 4K streaming box. It's the Pro model, and I have tethered to it that 250 gigabyte on SSD drive. I also have the file manager downloaded onto this box for various reasons. Now, what I've done, fam, I've connected the same type of drive to my cell phone. So this external drive is connected to my cell phone. And once what I did earlier with this file in the on box, I was wondering if I wanted, would I be able to do it on my phone? And so I was successful in doing it on my phone, and then had to find out a way that I would be able to share it with you. Like I said, but I'm not a streamer, so basically had to figure it out. So what I figured I would do is, well, right now you're looking at the screen of the 4K Pro. This is actual screen of the 4K Pro. So what I've done, I got the Google Cast on my phone and I casted it on to the screen of the Pro. So after I cast it, I was able to have my phone up here. And as you see, I already have downloaded to my phone is the file manager. And I'm just going to open that up. Let me get a few things together, family, so I can do a correct demonstration. Okay, this is the file manager and it's open. If you look up the second icon where it says General USB, that would be the on SSD drive that I have connected to this phone at the current moment. If I open it up, you see a few subfolders that I have in there. I'm going to go down here to the remote. If I open the remote, if you wanted to add your network, you would just choose your network and it would ask you for the credentials to sign in. That wouldn't be necessary. It would have a box that you could check mark anonymous, and that will allow you to access your network. Now, this is my NAS right here, as I said. I'm going to open that up. You see I have several folders on here categorized. This movie one has like 4,000, 4,500 movies in it. This one has like 1,500 movies in it. They're larger files. And if you look here, fam, the external USB, that is the actual external hard drive that I have connected to my NAS. Reason being, I put smaller files on here so I will be able to do demonstrations like I'm doing now. Now I'm going to open that up. And you'll see I have a folder in there that says Blu-ray Premium. I'm gonna open that up. Now keep in mind all these files are over the network right now. They are over the network. They're not stored on any drive where I'm accessing. This is over my network. So this Avatar movie up here, I'm gonna long press on that and I want you to see what happens. Now you see the option to copy, move, rename, and delete. Let's choose copy and let's go back. Now I'm gonna go back to the storage I have attached to the phone. I'm gonna open the movie subfolder. And you see the option to paste down there? So the movie is being transferred. This is like 15 gig. It's being transferred over the network to the storage device that's attached to it. So this is like I said before, this same thing I did with the on box with this attached storage. I'm hoping in the future that I will be able to do this with on larger files and perhaps populate different external hard drives with my movie where they could just sit there and populate movies on there. I wouldn't care how long it take if it just sitting there and I didn't you need the device or anything. So I'm gonna cancel that, fam, because I want to show you something else. Now let's go back, open that remote again, go to the NAS, and we're gonna open that external drive again. And I'm gonna long press the folder this time, fam. Gives you the option again. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna go back. Like I said, this is over your network. This is not on already a stored external drive. This is actually over the network. So I'm gonna open up that drive that's attached to my phone. I'm going to the sub movie folder, and it gives me that paste option. Paste, and now that whole folder is going in there. The whole folder is going in there now. Like I said, I want to try this with a different device. Um, I've done it with the on, but I haven't tried a really large hard drive to do it with, and I will. And I recommend, fam, that any attached storage, you should format it in an exFAT. Because when I first attached this to the on box and other external drives I have many external hard drives. The MM.2s, I'm just really a fan of them. Their speed, their functionality, and just mobile. The transfer rates of high definition movies in 4K. It's just brilliant. So you see, fam, we're able to transfer these large files. And like I said, I want to be able to take this a step further and see what we'll be able to do. I probably would first try by using the on box and attaching the 3.0 gigabit adapter to make the speeds faster. Not that I'm in a hurry, but I think it would just be an easier process for this to happen. Yeah, fam, I thought that was pretty interesting. And one other thing I want to be able to share with you, family, is remember I took SuperDale's YouTube and I was able to embed it into the Google Sites. I just wanted to show you the functionality of it. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to the playlist. Okay, it's all loaded up. Not bad for a YouTube channel to be made into a website with Google Sites. We'll show you the functionality of the drop list. This has 171 videos in it, and watch the navigation. Navigating through 171 videos. And this is through a Google site, and they function.
Same thing
Videos
with Do
load.
Dream On. She's
I think seeing, I hope seeing this family gives you like a more appreciation for the functionality and what you can do with this. Well, family, be safe and be good, and I will be back at you with another one.